This is lesson 4-1A, compound interest. The most important part of this lesson is the general compound interest formula, and here it is. A equals P times 1 plus R over N, all raised to the NT. A is the future amount, P is the initial principal or deposit, R is the annual interest rate expressed as a decimal, not a percent, N is the number of compound periods per year, and T is the number of years. Got two examples. Here we go. Example 1. You deposit $1,000 in a bank that pays 0.5% annual interest compounded monthly. How much money will you have in 10 years? Let's just plug things into the formula. I'm trying to find the future amount A. So A equals the principal, 1,000, times 1 plus, this expressed as a decimal, move the decimal 2 points to the right, 0.005, all over N, monthly. There's 12 months in a year, so over 12, all raised to the, and with the calculator it's important you use parentheses, all raised to the 12 times 10. And if you use your TI-84 graphing calculator, you would get an answer of approximately 1,051.26 cents. Usually I round to the nearest penny. Example 2 is a little bit different. In this case, you want to have $5,000 in the future after 5 years. The bank pays 2.25% annual interest compounded quarterly. How much money should you initially deposit? So in this case, I'm trying to find what the P value is. I should know everything else. So let's set this up. The future amount is 5,000. The P is what I'm trying to solve for. I leave that as a variable. 1 plus R, again with the decimal 2 places, 0.0225. The N value, it says quarterly, there's 4 quarters per year. All over 4 times 5 years. Okay, so what I do is I use my calculator and I punch that out. I did that already. And I got about 1.11871. I use all the precision in the calculator and I round at the end, so just to let you know, I use more decimals. Then I simply just divide each side with that quantity, and I'll get P to be 5,000 over that. And my answer will be approximately 3,204.08. And there you have it. How to evaluate problems involving compound interest.